It's late night in Tampa, and Officer Barr is investigating a minor collision where a driver backed into a patrol car. What starts as a routine discussion about a crash report is about to pivot when signs of impairment surface. Watch how a simple parking lot accident spirals into a serious confrontation.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm finding yourself.
What's your first name?
Elsie.
Elsie? Okay. Listen, I'm Officer Barr with Tampa Police Department, obviously. These officers called me here because they're concerned maybe you had something to drink tonight.
That was probably maybe more than 2 hours ago.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
What did you have?
I took maybe half a beer.
That was it?
That was it.
Okay. Are you on any medication?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you mind stepping out for me?
Yep.
Come on over here. Do you have anything like physically wrong with you?
Nope.
Any injuries? Anything
Nope.
wrong with like your legs, your back, your knees?
Nope.
Nope. And you said you're not on any medications
No,
right
sir.
now? Perfectly healthy then.
I'm healthy. I have anxiety, but besides that, I'm good.
You on medication for that?
Not tonight. I only take it when needed.
Okay. Do you wear contacts?
I wear glasses.
All right. Can you stand with your feet together like this, arms down at your side? What I'd like to do is begin by checking your eyes as part of some field sobriety
fine.
exercises. Okay. You see the red light here in front of you?
Absolutely.
What I want you to do is follow that light with your eyes, keeping your head still as I move that light back and forth, okay? Keep your head still. Try to keep your head still. Okay. There's a couple other exercises I'd like you to do, okay? You willing to do those for me?
Absolutely.
All right. Come on down here. So we'll use this white line right here as a line to walk down.
Okay.
I'm going to give you some instructions. I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
And then after I do all of that, you can ask questions, okay?
Okay.
I just prefer you don't ask questions while I'm giving the instructions because it's kind of hard for me to stop, all right? So while I'm doing all of that, what I would like you to do is stand with your left foot at the very beginning of the line. Then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Make sure both feet are on the line and one directly in front of the other. Place your arms to your side. Now don't begin walking until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
So when I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line.
Okay.
Turn around and then walk back down the line. 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud.
Okay.
So your first step will be number 1, and each step needs to be heel to toe like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
On your 9th step, I want you to leave your front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps to complete a turn, just like this. And then you walk back down the line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay, so straight down, slowly turn, come down.
Exactly.
Count out loud.
Exactly. So,
Is this one or is the next one?
so your first step will be number 1.
This one?
Your first step will be number 1.
Okay.
Okay. So while you do this, I'd like you to look at your feet as you walk. Count your steps out loud, keeping your arms down to your side just like this. Don't stop walking until you've completely finished this.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No. Straight down, slow turn, back to you, no questions.
Okay. You can begin then if you understand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slowly turn. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Next, what I want you to do is stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. You can forget about this line. We're not going to use it, okay? I don't want you to do anything until I tell you right now, okay? I'm just going to show you how to do this and explain everything. Okay. So when I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to raise my left leg just because that's what I like to do. Raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground. Point your toe straight out. Look at that foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? Make sure you keep both legs straight. Don't bend them at the knee. And if you put your foot down, just pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off.
You want me to balance right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a problem?
No, we're working out.
Well, you see me doing it.
You're a cop.
Doesn't mean anything.
Let's do it.
All right.
All right.
Do you have any questions on how to do it?
No, you just told me raise leg till you count. If I put my leg down, stop. So you tell me keep counting.
Well, if you put your foot down, I want you to pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off, and you do that all on your own. Okay.
Okay. 1001. You want me to count by 1,000?
Yeah, 1001, 1002, etc. Yep. Any other questions?
Nope.
Okay. And begin when you're ready.
Okay. 1001.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
All right, you can stop. Go ahead and put your foot down. Put your arms around your back.
What am I doing with people?
DUI.
For what?
Driving under the influence. Do you have anything?
Literally doing what I told me to do.
Well, you did the exercises. You just didn't perform them how I asked you to. There's a lot of clues of impairment that I observed during that. It leads me to believe you've been drinking a lot more than you're telling me. When we get down to the jail, I am going to ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do that?
Nope.
Okay. All right, come on. You don't have anything hidden on you, do you?
No.
Okay. Do you carry anything? Do you carry anything in your top? Any
No,
cash? Any ID? Okay, just making sure.
There was not even. Oh, y'all were driving. But okay.
Right. You stand right here first. Just face the car. You can relax your arms. She's going to search you in just a second, okay?
No, there's really nothing up there.
I know, we got to make sure.
No, don't impound my car. There's people in there that can drive it.
We
No,
have to.
don't
The
do
car
that.
is in your name. We don't have a choice.
But I have
We have
people
policy.
in there. I don't even live over here. Like,
I'm trying to explain
that
to you.
was a whole accident.
Do you want to hear what I have to say or not?
No, because
Okay,
why?
then
You want to impound my car for what?
Okay.
Like, there's people in the car that can literally take my car where it needs to go. Like, you guys are doing extra. I barely even booked that damn car. I've been more than
Okay, come on back here.
respectful. No, because I've been more than respectful. And
You have. I appreciate that.
I don't know, but can we talk?
Yeah, we
no.
can. Well, you said you didn't want to hear what I had to say.
Well, then let's listen to it, because there's no way. I don't even live over here, and
Okay,
you're
have a
gonna have them impound my car.
We have to by our policy.
But
we
there's
can't release.
people here.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell
And
you
there's
something.
no
Have a
deal.
seat. You don't want to listen
I'm
to me.
not.
So
Girlfriend.
don't get an attitude.
I
Go away
have
from
an
me, okay?
attitude. No, because you know what?
Have
I've been.
a seat. Sit in the
No,
car.
I've been being-
Sit in the car. Or
I'm
I'm
in
gonna
the
put you.
car.
Sit in the car, or I'm going to put you in the car.
I'm sitting in the car.
No,
And
in
I'm
the
trying
seat.
to have a
In the
conversation.
seat.
No, I'm trying to have.
Stand up. We're going to put you in this car if you don't listen.
Things just took a hard turn. The driver's frustration over the vehicle impound policy boils over instantly. Notice the physical kick as she's placed in the car. That one action just added a resisting with violence charge to her night. It's a textbook example of how quickly a verbal dispute can become a felony.
I'll go see if she has any like wallet or phone in the
Yeah.
car. Here's your ID if you need it.
Yeah.
This is her purse. I'm just gonna
I won't take the whole purse. Just credit cards. Nothing else. Credit cards and cash. Nothing else. I gotta count it. It's all on Bodycam. Make sure there's not anything hidden in it. Yep. Alrighty. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you.
Okay.
What's going on?
And there it is. Refusal to submit to testing seals the deal on a 1-year license suspension. This case perfectly illustrates how a series of poor decisions, from driving impaired to fighting officers, can compound into life-altering charges. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.